Hi friends, I am Chinmay from Silver Oak, back again with an informative video. In today's video, we are going to learn about work, machines, and in machines there are two types of machines, simple machines, complex machines. So we'll talk about them also. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So, what's the meaning of work? That's so important to learn. So, the meaning of force is when you apply force on an object. For example, this is a tape. This is the object. When I just apply force on this object, it moved here to here. It should move to a certain distance. Then work is done here. Okay, work is done here. When you apply force on an object and it should move to a certain distance, then work is done here. Okay, this is a wall. Let me push it with my full force, then also it is not going to move. Then work is not done here because it didn't move an inch also. Then how will the work be done? So here work is not done. Here work is not at all done. Okay. So now let us talk about machines. In machines, in machines there are two types of machines: simple machines, complex machines. So first let us know what is the meaning of machines. Machine is a tool which make your work easier. For example, if you want to go out of our country, what will you think of first? You will think of aeroplanes. Yes, you will think of aeroplanes first. And second, train. Yes, you will think of aeroplane and trains. These aeroplanes and trains and what? These are machines. If machines will not be, what will you do? You should go by walk. Then when you go by walk, okay, when you go by walk, how much time it will take? It will take one or 1.5 years to reach out of country. And okay, so and for if you go by aeroplanes, how much it will take? Maximally it will take 2 or 3 days. Yes, will it? Okay. So what machine is doing here? Saving your time, reducing your effort. Yes, and making your work easier, making your work so easy. Yes. In machines also there are two types of machines: simple machines, complex machines. So let's talk about simple machines first. So the meaning of simple machines is you find them in the market in the low cost. You find them in low cost, and nearly all of the simple machines don't have any electric connections. Okay. And yes, the simple machines also normally don't have any moving parts. For example, this is an axe. So this axe don't have any moving parts. Is it? It don't have any moving parts. Nowadays electric axe are coming. They are included in complex machines, so we'll talk about them afterwards. So now let us focus on simple machines. This is the axe. This is the example of simple machines. Okay, you find them in low costs. You find them in very low cost, not very low cost, and they don't have any electric connections, and they don't have any moving parts. Okay, got it? Yes. And scissors. Okay. You can find them in low cost. They don't have any electric connections. Only few. There are few moving parts in that. Okay. The simple machines have few moving parts, or some simple machines don't have any moving parts. Okay. Now let us talk about complex machines. The complex machines are that machines which you find in expensive cost in the market, and also they have electric. Most of the complex machines have electric connections in them. Yes. The example of complex machine is just here. This is a laptop. This is a system. This is a laptop. So what is this? A complex machine. You find them in expensive cost comparing to what we say, simple machines. And these have electric connections. Laptops have the electric connections, and they have so many moving parts. Yes, they have. Okay. So we know now about complex machines also. Complex machines are expensive in cost. Complex machines have electric connections in them. Complex machines have moving parts like this head. Okay, like this head. It is a, okay, you can see. Okay, got it? So in this video we have learnt about work, machines. In machines there are two types of machines: simple machines, complex machines. We have also learnt about them also. So friends, I hope you learnt a new thing today in this session. So bye bye. I will be present in the next video. Till then, bye bye.